One major startup for all crypto beginners is actually a trust wallet account whereby we had to register without having any ID. So checking up on YouTube, you are going to be seeing a lot of videos talking about how to make this amount on trust wallet, how to do this and how to do that. So then I actually check as a order right now. So I went to my channel and I clicked to check out the crypto wallet we have. So trust wallet was currently leading. So this is to tell you like many people actually will go ahead to install trust wallet download. Then we have the blockchain. Then after we have the blockchain, we have the Luno, we have the crypto.coin and there about Binance. So let me know the particular wallet you are using at the comment section right here. So I'm going to be telling you my experience I have using the trust wallet right now. So I click on my trust wallet and I notice my trust wallet needs to be updated. So I did the updating and the new features on the trust wallet is currently pretty good. Like this is what we have. You can actually change this directly also to the white area, but I prefer using the black as usual. So I'm going to be using the black right now. Then I'm having about $1 on this particular account and something happened. All right, I'm going to be telling you before the end of this particular video. So let's go back and check more of this. So coming to the Trust Wallet account, we are going to be seeing the update on Trust Wallet, which they actually did an update. Last update was currently about the March 16, and that's about a few days ago. So any of your platform you're actually using, make sure you go ahead to check their last update to actually sure if they're actually keeping to time to or make changes and make some other things into their platform. So it's going to keep your money safe right now. These are things you need to be checking up in a crypto area. So I'm going to go back and check on my Trust Wallet, and the review on Trust Wallet is currently good. Many people actually rated it well, but something actually happened to me. My account was hacked. Okay, so you might actually think what actually happened. So right now I'm going to click on this, then I'm going to click on the TRS right now. So currently clicking on the TRS is going to load in. As you can see, these are my transaction in terms of TRX right now. I'm going to scroll down and let's see my transaction. But a day actually came in that my Trust Wallet account was hacked. So does this actually mean this is not well saved? So I really want to show you that. Okay, let me scroll down, then I click on this. All right, this is even not what I wanted to show. I don't know why it's see to not to show again right here. Okay, so this is what we need to know. You can see we have about 800 and it gets wiped without knowing who actually did the work. So right now I'm going to go back to check some of my coin that I have. I think I have USDT then. USDT. All right, so USDT the TLC20. And okay, so currently I actually have this also, and it got wiped on this without my notification. So this is to tell you how safe the trust wallet is currently is. But this actually happened some month ago, and the platform has actually been updated, so we need to know that right now. So I want to show you more. Let me check up. I have one other coin that I would like to show right there. All right, so we have the little rabbit token and thereabout. So this actually got wiped. I was having about $300 right now in this account, and it got wiped just like that and without knowing. So this is not to fear you, this is not to scare you, but this is to tell you that the update actually came up on the Trust Wallet, and the thing is actually getting more safer right now. But then make sure you actually keep your account very safe right there. Keep your account so much very safe right there. So that is what I have to tell you about the Trust Wallet currently.